Did you know that up to 80% of skin aging is caused by environmental factors like diet and not genetics? In fact, consuming raw plant-based foods can help slow down the aging process and age-related diseases. Health and vanity were my reasons for going and staying raw plant-based. At 67, I truly believe my raw plant-based fuel stock keeps me looking and feeling youthful. We can give our skin and overall health a major boost with what I call the fountain of youth juice. In fact, consuming raw plant-based foods can help slow down the aging process and age-related diseases. Hi, I'm Verawonica and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fuel stock queen, a mindset shifter, and a lifestyle coach. Get ready to find out the secret to youthful skin and reversing the signs of aging naturally. When it comes to anti-aging, nutrition plays a huge role in maintaining that youthful glow and radiance. One of the most effective ways to harness the power of nutrition is through juicing. By extracting the essential nutrients from raw plants, we can unlock their full potential and reap the benefits of natural, healthy, sexy skin. When we consume fruits and vegetables, herbs and spices, especially those high in antioxidants, we show fewer signs of skin aging. Each time we drink a raw plant-based juice, we are investing in our skin's future. So how does all this work scientifically? Raw plants maintain their essential nutrients, enzymes, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals often lost when they are cooked. Check out my blog on cooked versus raw. I'm sure many of us, myself included, have tried anti-aging skincare products such as creams, serums, and oils. These are applied topically and externally, meaning on the outside, and often just sit on our skin's surface. However, what if we started the anti-aging process from the inside? Nutrients from consuming raw plant-based juices are quickly absorbed into our internal system, flooding our cells with the building blocks, proteins, that are needed to fight anti-aging and are at the root level. When we consume raw plant juices, our glow starts from the nourishment of the inside of us, which automatically radiates on the outside of our largest organ, our skin. The most powerful plants are raw plants. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and dandelion leaves are nutrient dense and loaded with chlorophyll, which promote radiant skin and anti-aging. Herbs are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that aid in cellular regeneration and improve skin elasticity, helping the anti-aging process naturally. Dark berries are also amazing for anti-aging, especially when juiced, because they too are rich in antioxidants, which protect against oxidative stress, boosts collagen production, and reduces inflammation, all of which helps maintain youthful skin and prevents age-related diseases. Raw spices like ginger and turmeric are awesome for anti-aging. They not only have anti-inflammatory properties, they also have antioxidant compounds, which help improve skin elasticity and protects against cellular damage that accelerates aging. Check out my ebook called Green is the New Black and learn more about the power of plants. It comes with bonuses, video, recipes, and more. So many of you might be asking, how do you start juicing? Number one, invest in a premium juicer. We're affiliated with Nama Well. Check out my review of the Nama J2 juicer. Number two, batch juice. Making a lot of juice at once saves time and makes it easy to prep ahead. Watch my video on Nama's special promotion of their batch juicing accessories. And number three, juice organic raw plants. Juicing organic raw plants fuels our body, which directly benefits our skin health and slows aging. Organic produce provides pure nutrients, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants that boost collagen production, promotes radiant skin, and gives you a youthful complexion. Organic produce is free from chemicals, antibiotics, toxins, pesticides, and GMOs that harm and damage our cells, which cause aging. Check out my video on what are organics. And check out my video on what are GMOs. Juicing is a fast way for your body to get the nutrients it needs, and it's also about the skin you're in, because what we consume will show on the outside of our skin. Drinking just 1 green juice a day will increase our intake of phytonutrients that actively slow down the aging process. Consuming organic, raw, plant, fresh juices reduces visible signs of skin aging by almost 50% over time. Why don't you give it a try? This fuel style change could be your new favorite beauty secret. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you would like to see more fuel style, high nutrient, raw plant-based videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. I love hearing from you, so please drop your comments and your questions below. I want to thank you again for watching this video. It means the world to me. And if you or someone you know is interested in transformational mindset tips on how to create your dreams and live a raw-licious life, subscribe to my channel and to my raw news. I'd love it if you would share with anyone you know about my new course geared towards busy entrepreneurs and business leaders who want efficient strategies to manage stress, improve health, have abundant energy, all in one place. Change Your Game is a complete wellness transformation blueprint, and pre-registration is now open. All links to discount codes and coaching contact information are in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my weekly raw news, which comes out every Monday. See you in the next video, and have a raw amazing day.